So, first drift event of the year. And I'm an hour late already. Really don't care. But, I gotta adjust my suspension. This should be interesting. Alright, so. This hits on everything. So, I'm gonna have to raise up my suspension a little bit. My tub decided to fall, so if you can see that, my tub is separated from the second portion. It's got to be glued up there, so that is why I've been rubbing the fuck out of that. So if you can see that. So now what I gotta do is, I mean, you can see that. It lifts literally, if I move that, watch. I removed 2 bolts from here, and then 2 bolts from here, and then my fender comes off. Well, somewhat. It's still connected to the bumper, but it's alright. And then what I did to lift up the bottom portion of the tub, because there's 2 separate pieces to a tub and a Corvette. There's a top piece and a bottom piece. Then you epoxy them together. That's how they come from the factory. So what I did to raise it is, since it's attached to my trunk lid, whatever the fuck, I put a jack handle, raised it as high as I could, and that lifted up the entire bottom portion. So what I did is just put some epoxy, and then hopefully that will stick together. That worked out. Just in the suspension, and then epoxied that back up. We should be good. The whole fender looks good. Gotta put a patch right there. Sweet. Exhaust leak right there. Oh. Made it out. Alright. Made it out here. We're going to tandem with our boy. Jordan motherfucking Clark. So, see how it goes. I'm still on some small ass 280 or 235. 235s at like fucking 15 PSI. Say hi. Anyways, didn't get as many runs as I wanted to get. It was pretty busy. What? Cheese. Yeah. So, yeah, it was kind of busy day at the track. A lot of people showed up. Good thing is that most of us kept our distance from random people, but some people just don't understand. Keep your fucking distance. So yeah, but car did great. The exhaust sounds awesome. I didn't have any issues this time from the O2s or the exhaust falling off, so that's good. I'm gonna fix that portion. It's been broken for a while and I just haven't done anything about it. But she did good. Had a couple tandems, not, you know, didn't have a lot of driving today, kind of weird. So pretty productive day. I got to knock out the suspension settings on the Corvette that I wanted to run for a while. I epoxied the tub back together. So the upper portion of the tub in the Corvette to the lower portion of the tub was re-epoxied. It's holding on. It's no longer rubbing on my tire, which is really good. It was really annoying. Got to go out on the track, get some tandems and get some laps with the boys. Practicing social distancing in the pits. And yeah, overall, pretty good day. Pretty busy day, and it was a really nice day. So see you guys. Catch you on the next one. Hopefully this is coronavirus stupidity blows over here soon and we can go back to normal lives. Later.